Hi everyone, today is all about finishing touches. I've shown you in previous videos how to put displays like this together, and today we're going to be focusing on those little elements, those finishing touches that you can add that make your displays really special. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. For this display I've used my usual base, so if you haven't seen my videos on how to make a base like this, then check out the links in the description and I guide you step by step how to make the base. I've also added a duplicate here of 2 latex balloons and another duplicate of 2 latex balloons here. And I've connected my 2 balloons together using balloon bond, stretcher balloon tape, and made the connection points using 1/60. Again, I've shown you this technique a number of times in previous videos, so I'll leave links to those videos in the description just in case you haven't seen those. I'm going to use U-glue dashes to attach the champagne bottle. I'm going to use a Sharpie pen just to mark on the balloons where I want to stick the U-glue dashes. So this champagne bottle, you can have it with the word celebrate or you can have it blank. I want the blank side facing me, so I'm just going to position that now, carefully. And I'm just going to start to add the clusters of 4 organically sized 5-inch rounds.